Siema olane ziuty, dzisiaj kleimy tego potwora.
Tak jeszcze powiem, że wiele więcej rzeczy miałem zrobić, ale po prostu mi się nie chciało. Zacznijmy od tych zarąbistych plastików z przodu. Muszę ogarnąć tą odpadającą farbę. Z tyłu już mniej więcej to zrobiłem, ale pokryłem to ciulowym czarnym sprayem, który po czasie zaczął się zdrapywać. Wygląda to fatalnie, postaram się jakoś to naprawić, lecz nie wiem jaki będzie efekt końcowy.
F on the beat with the F and N. Ay, nigga. Me and Glockiana, we the best of friends. Two twin Glocks, call them Zach and Cody. Talking down on you, then he ain't the Brody. Bitch, I don't wanna talk about it, pussy nigga, show me real. Yeah, I heard about your partner working with the police. Dork, square, ran up on a nigga, now he living in a chair. My solution, prostitution, I'm a player. I'ma break the bitch, pussy nigga, you gon' pay her. I'ma break her. All that chillin' chat, I ain't with that. Pulling out a big strap, nigga, get back. Hey, bitch. It's the FN. Ay. Go ahead and shoot you and your best friend. Ay. Pussy nigga, you ain't know nothing. Bitch, I'ma fuck off the perk, make your hoe come. Hey, nigga, you ain't know shit. Ay. Bought a brand new 40 with a big dick. Ay, nigga, that's a 30. That's a icy ass nigga like an Oreo McFlurry. Ay, frying pan up on the yacht. We ain't finna box, we finna put him in a box, nigga. All that beefing on the gram, come get up with me. DP. Nigga tried to send a bitch, but she fuck with me. My baby girl 10 toes, yeah, she stuck with me. When she bring that fee in, we live in luxury. Two twin Glocks, call them Zach and Cody. He talking down on you, then he ain't the Brody. Bitch, I don't wanna talk about it, pussy nigga, show me real. Yeah, I heard about your partner working with the police. Dork, square, ran up on a nigga, now he living in a chair. My solution, prostitution, I'm a player. I'ma break the bitch, pussy nigga, you gon' pay her. I'ma break it. Blue lips, sink ships, pink strips. That shit crazy. Walk hard in my cup, no tricks. Sippin' water. Baby girl, I need some more, where the tricks? That's for sure. She ain't got no money, we ain't fucking, I'm a dick. I said, get out, nigga, we'll bring it to your dome ass. Put a chopper, I won't hesitate to blow that. Hey, nigga. Where the pros at? Phoenix flexin', I be getting dough, but you know that. You know that. You a bitch, you a nerd, you a whole cat. A whole cat. Whole gang full of punks. Chopper with a dick, I get a nigga fucked. I ain't tryna play around. If I up it, I'ma bust. I said, ooh wee, bitch, I got the ooh-ah. Nigga talking shit, bounce out, give him 2 shots. Hey, thug life like I'm Tupac. You chose up on a peak, cause I'm everything that you like. Hey, nigga, 2 twin Glocks, call him Zach and Cody. Talking down on you, then he ain't the Brody. Bitch, I don't wanna talk about it, pussy nigga, show me real. Yeah, I heard about your partner working with the police. Dork, square, ran up on a nigga, now he living in a chair. My solution, prostitution, I'm a player. I'ma break the bitch, pussy nigga, you gon' pay her. I'ma break her.
Bitches tryna fuck me. That nigga bitch, all these bitches.
Why don't do that shit?
They ask me how I'm feeling, my nigga, I'm feeling lovely. It must be. Everywhere I go, they wanna fuck me. Must be. Oh, my nigga, who got the musty? It must be OGs, cause he stay serving custody. They ask me how I'm feeling, my nigga, I'm feeling lovely. It must be. Everywhere I go, they wanna fuck me. Must be. Oh, my nigga, who got the musty? It must be OGs, cause he stay serving custody. I'm bustin', no tussling. Bad bitch a eater, that ain't for discussion. She bustin' and gushing, I'm drippin' and moaning when I get the fucking foo nigga sip on nothing but tussin'. I'm pouring the quality, I'm throwing my youngins. I pour with my youngins, I go with my youngins. We blowing in hundreds and blowing in woods. I'm a nice ass nigga, but I'm misunderstood. Got a ratchet little bitch and she from Inglewood. I'm moving around, I do nothing but jug. I'm fucking these hoes like a young nigga should. And you do the same if you young niggas could. Jump out the beamer, cause that shit look cleaner. How I get this shit, nigga serving the fiends. Nigga bitches snitching like they serving subpoenas. And my niggas all nuts, you get served by your peanut. Yo bitch, she a slut, she get curved and deleted. Fuck while she pregnant, got nut on your fetus. I'm going too crazy, need to calm down, Jesus. Yo, nigga, calm down. I'm feeling, nigga, I'm feeling lovely. It must be, everywhere I go, they wanna fuck me. Must be, oh, my nigga, who got the musty? It must be a cheese, cause he stay serving custody. They ask me how I'm feeling, my nigga, I'm feeling lovely. It must be, everywhere I go, they wanna fuck me. Must be, oh, my nigga, who got the musty? It must be a cheese, cause he stay serving custody.
I'm on juice by the deuce, right around in the coupe. I ain't playing with a bitch, little baby, I thought you knew. What's this bitch, what's your bitch for?
woskowanie. A tu jest woskowanie, dobra. Zobaczymy co to zrobi. Bo nie wiem. Jakoś ładnie wygładzi. Może nie wiem, doda jakiegoś old schoolu. Ale ładnie dymi.
Sos, ciuchy i borciuchy, dlatego robię ruchy, dlatego nie wybieram się do puchy. Dlatego spłacam długi jak mój chuj w stoi. Wybieram sobie numer z klawiatury. Palę se chmury stówy, ale bez zamuły. Młody G to król, nie uliczny druid. Przyszedł SMS od twojej dupy. Mam w głowie cash, se odpiszę albo nie. W szoku są te suki.
Parę stop znowu wpada, będzie nowa dziaba. Będzie kawał plegarów, będzie kawał rękawa. Chuj wbijam w normy i ogólne prawa. Na lokal się pierdalam na grubo jak cesarz Oktawia. Ona bije brawa, a ty bijesz sobie kuca. Łapie piłki w obie ręce, Duszan Kuciak. Pola bluza, z niej telefon mi na beton upadł. Się rozjebał Dariusz Krupa.
W szoku są te suki, nadchodzi hustler. Jak idę nowym światem, mam śmiechawkę. Haha Huxley, dziwko zmień dostawcę. Wizytówkę, mam mordercę. Jak jesteś Patrick Bateman, daj mi pęgę. Wracaj po więcej wkrótce, pomyślałem se o jutrze. Pomyślałem w kurwę do
Podsumowując, nawet jest git. Mogło być lepiej, ale to ma jeździć i skręcać. XD.